So we've got a MacBook hard drive.
Yep.
A dead one.
Yep.
We're going to show you these guys what's inside and how it works. And this isn't the solid state drives that we're talking about. They're all chips. This is a conventional hard drive. Take it away. Before we go any further, is it true that is a vacuum in there when it's running?
Yes.
So that's fully vacuum sealed. Why?
Pretty much you can't have any dust getting in there at all. The head is this little moving thing here, which basically reads the data off the platter of the drive, which is this spinny bit there, is such a tiny distance apart from it that if there were to get a piece of dust in there, it would destroy the drive. It wouldn't be able to read the data on the head using the head.
Like a record player.
Yep.
Old school. Okay, take it away.
So these run at about 5,400 RPM.
Okay, that's rather quick.
It is.
Stick in this caddy that we use for getting data off and stuff, don't we?
Yep.
There we go. So theoretically, in a nice sealed environment, on a fully working hard drive, that would be searching for data, almost like an old record player where it searches tracks on that tiny little silver disc. Wicked. Thank you very much.